YouTube automation earned me this and over $200,000 in 12 months, and you can do it too. Now, recently there has been a lot of noise on YouTube, a lot of clickbait type of videos talking about the latest YouTube policy changes about the faceless and automated YouTube channels and what it means for your channel future, whether you will get demonetized, can you still make money with it. So is this the best time to start brand new faceless automated YouTube channel, or it's too late? Is it game over and you cannot get monetized or make money with it anymore? And what is the real unfiltered truth about YouTube automation? Well, I'm here to break it down for you. Truth about YouTube automation is that it can be very, very profitable. It's easy to get started. You don't need massive investments. You can do it absolutely free, and it's quick to get it up and running by using help with the AI and if you know what you are doing. But it can also be a total waste of time if you are not prepared to acknowledge the whole bigger picture of everything what's involved in YouTube automation. So let's start with the latest YouTube updates. Is that something really new? Well, not really. YouTube always have said you cannot reuse the content. So now all they're doing is improving their mechanisms and tools, how they identify this low quality, reused, spammy, low effort, repeated content on YouTube, and that's really it. So many gurus are trying to spin this off, saying that you now need to join my paid program, my course, if you want to survive on YouTube, and there is no any other alternative way. So this everything has changed and there are new strategies. Well, not really, that's not true. And yes, no shade, there are good courses and programs out there, including about how you can start and do YouTube automation, and I have enrolled in some of them myself about 5 years ago when we started YouTube. When I say we, it was me and my husband Austin. So yes, there are some good courses and programs, but to say that you need expensive course to make money on YouTube with automated faceless YouTube channel, that's simply not true. Now with the help of AI, it's so super easy and quick to start your faceless automated YouTube channel. And no, you do not have to have any expertise in prompting, or you don't have to be a software engineer or nothing like that. All you need to know is how to write simple prompts that explain to the AI what you are looking for and what is your goal. I have also done a set of free AI prompts that you can use for video script writing, for video editing, or for thumbnail design creation. You can find this prompt in this video description. So with all of that, now is a perfect time to start your YouTube faceless automated channel, and it can be very, very profitable. And you can wake up and you can check your analytics in the morning to see that in the previous 24 hours you have made over $1,600, and that can be amazing. But the truth that many people won't tell you and talk about is that YouTube automation can still come with the burnout. If you are not knowing what you are doing and don't strategically plan your growth on YouTube and your content, how you're producing your content, you might end up by burning out. So let me give you an example. This picture, believe it or not, was taken by my youngest daughter during our first family holiday after all the hot mess that happened with the COVID. So for a couple of years we didn't went abroad, we didn't had any holidays, and this was the first one after the COVID we went. And at that time in 2023, our YouTube channel was doing very well. It was a faceless and automated channel. It wasn't automated the way how we are doing it right now. I'm just about to tell you the difference now, but you can see this photo captured my burnout perfectly. The channel was doing great. We went on a family holiday and I was totally burning out. And that's because that when we started with the faceless YouTube channels, the automation that we did in our own mind, that I would call now, I wouldn't even call it automation, that was just expensive outsourcing. So we were hiring people, video editors, script writers, voiceover artists. So there was a large team of people involved in this automation process. I even had a personal assistant who will help me to review the scripts, the voiceovers, the videos. and it was automated in a sense that we are not the ones who sitting on the camera and recording the videos, but it was essentially just very expensive, time consuming outsourcing. But that's how we started. But due to this burnout and the payoff, although the YouTube channel was doing very well, the time that we spent to working on it lead us into the burnout that we had to take a break during 2024. We reinvested the money that we made in different business ventures. We took a break. We traveled around a bit for us to come back in 2025. And if I show you analytics from 2025, you can still see that the YouTube automation works. You can still make money with it, but you just have to do it in a smarter way. So before we would spend about $100 to produce one video. Now it costs us less than $3, and it takes us less than 1 hour to get that one video done. And before it was almost a week because everything was done into the steps. So to get the script writing was like 1 to 2 days, get the voiceover again a couple of days, video editing maybe 3-4 days. In the total, it will be like 1 week back and front with the freelancers and reviewing what they have done to just get that one video out, and it will cost us around $100 per one video. So that was a totally different game. So now with the help of AI, this is what we can call YouTube automation. So I'm about to show you the entire process, how we are doing it now, step by step, what tools we use, and how you can produce this content yourself by spending roughly 1 hour per day. So with the AI now, it's so much easier, so much cheaper, so much quicker, but still you have to understand that unrealistic expectations and the burnout are those two things that people don't talk much in terms of YouTube automation, but they are real. So your expectations of putting out 1 to 2 videos, or let's say 5 to 10 videos in 1 or 2 weeks, now gonna make you lots of money. That's not gonna happen. As a minimum, we recommend for you to posting at least 1 video per day for the 30 days for you to see the results. And the results are that on average, after doing that and continue doing that, average number that we have seen from our own experience, from our clients, our students, average number we are looking at is about $8,000 per month. So that's average. But you have to bear in mind that you have to post consistently. You have to look into your YouTube analytics and read your analytics and the data to know what is working for your channel, because the same rules that apply to the massive and large channels might not apply to you, and something that is working for similar channel of yours might not working for you. So these 30 days of posting 30 videos will also give you that data to know exactly what you need to do for your own channel. But this is how you get started. So these are the steps that you need to take. So number 1, of course, is to pick your niche. Now, yes, you are having higher risk of getting demonetized or not getting monetized if you pick specific niches. And again, once you're picking the niche for your faceless automated YouTube channel, make sure that you are picking the high CPM niche. So if you are producing content that doesn't involve your face, you want to make sure that your videos can get the highest earnings as possible. Again, you can find the link to the list of niches in this video description. So pick one niche and then let's move into the video production, starting with the writing a script for your video. Now you have several options how you can write the script. Now we want to automate it, we want to do it quickly. So the tool that we are using is called video2blog.ai. This tool is essentially made for you to use YouTube videos and then repurpose them into the blog articles. So what the tool will do is use a transcription from the video and then write unique script by preserving all the structure and information presented in this video, but not giving you out the direct transcription. Okay, so this is the quickest way and the tool that we use the most. Of course, you can go directly into the tools like a ChatGPT and a Gemini, or there are some other paid options, but if you're going for the paid option, then you can just go for the video2blog.ai. If you want to do it for free, you can of course feed in the prompts into the ChatGPT or Gemini, providing the titles, the topic, what you are trying to include in your script, and you can write scripts like that. Now, if you need help with the AI prompting, again, I have done free AI prompt sets that you can use specifically for different niches when you're writing your script. You can get them again from the link in the video description. Okay, so you have done your script, then you need to do your voiceover. The quickest way to do that would be using 11 Labs. 11 Labs has such a massive library from the voices that sound like a real human, so you'll never get comments on your video saying AI voice or AI robot on anything like that. So they have this option of cloning the voices, so you can clone your own voice. That will be totally unique, but other voices that you can find are also being cloned by somebody. That's why they sound like a human. So pick one voice and generate your voiceover in 11 Labs. If you're looking for the free version, you can use a CapCut text to voice tool as well. That's absolutely free, so you are a little bit limited of the voices that you can use, but that's also an option. So you have your script, you have your voiceover. Now to edit your video yourself, we are using a Pictory.ai. It's super simple, super quick. All you need to do, paste your script into the Pictory and it will automatically match the scenes, and then you just download your video. Now Pictory also got some voices included in their plans, and you will have some voices from 11 Labs that you can choose. So to make it more cost efficiently, you can use the voiceover voices available in the Pictory and then just simply download your video. And these are really the 3 steps that you need to take to produce your video. And once you get going, it won't take you more than 1 hour for you to get the script done, get the voiceover done, and get your video done. And that's it. 1 hour per day and you have one video. And even if you use 11 Labs and Pictory, overall it will cost you around $3 per one video. So that's definitely worth it. If you choose to go free options and use ChatGPT, Gemini, if you use CapCut, you can also use CapCut for the video editing. If you don't want to use a Pictory, that will take you a bit more time and that will be more time consuming, but of course that's also an option. Now if you want to save some money and if you are looking to get a Pictory, any premium plans, use our link, use our discount code, and you will get 20% off from any Pictory premium plan for the lifetime of your subscription. Now your video is done, you go to YouTube, you upload your video, you optimize it if you're trying to hit the search, or you simply work on your thumbnails and titles. If you think that you're gonna hit the browse, then the thumbnail will be number 1 that you have to spend some more time. And then you repeat the same thing for 30 days. Now, if you need a bit more, in-depth tutorials on every step what I have just listed, feel free to join my free community on School and you will find them there. Now, the last truth that I have to mention in terms of YouTube automation that people really don't talk about is that it is chasing of views. So when you are setting up your faceless automated YouTube channel, you have to bear in mind that if you don't package this and build as a whole asset, as a business thing, you will end up chasing the views, and you don't want to do that. Although you can make money quickly, you need to look into a little bit of the bigger picture and look into the future, how you can sustain this business model and what happens in one day if YouTube suddenly shuts your channel. For you to be prepared for that and be able to carry your audience with you, you need to start building your own products. You need to be linking your own sales funnels. You need to do email marketing, capture the email addresses from your audience for you not to get in this cycle of constantly chasing the views. And again, if you need help with all of that, you can find a lot of resources and our free community. Link will be in the description, and I hope to see you there.